If you have an iPhone with a big display, these hidden features will save your thumb. Your iPhone has a reachability feature using which you can pull down the screen. Simply swipe down on the bottom part. Now I can easily access the home screen, or I can easily access the control center. You can tap on the dynamic island or on the right or left of the dynamic island to scroll to the top. Also, you can use reachability and then tap on the top of the screen to scroll up. Your iPhone keyboard has one-handed mode. Tap and hold on the emoji icon and then release it on the right or left. Go to Settings, General, scroll down and go to Keyboard Settings and tap on Text Replacement, and on the top right you will have a plus icon. Enter your phrase you want to type quickly. For example, I'm typing subscribe to my channel, and in the shortcut I will type SUBZ. You can type any shortcut you like. Tap on save, and now when I type SUBZ, it will type subscribe to my channel. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Peace.